Oh no, they're down here. There's a whole. Cow. Do you see that over there? What is that man doing?
Why does it look like he's jacking off? What is he doing?
He's got a chainsaw!
What the fuck? Oh shit.
Oh, he's only after you.
Dude, I turned around and he's in my face.
No!
You sound,
oh damn!
you sound like Yoda. No.
No! Kevin!
Oh my god, it is Kevin.
Look at me, Kevin. Calvin. Look at me, Calvin.
He's deaf. Dude, how did that happen?
You didn't watch it. That man took the biggest fall of his life. A grenade!
Oh my god. He's following me.
Where's that?
How do I tell him to stop following me?
I don't know, but
What the fuck? You fucking asshole.
I think there's only enough room for one of us on this island.
Dude, Kevin got launched.
Get up, you pansy.
You fucking bitch.
Ow!
I threw a rock at you.
Hey, Kyle, look at me. Ready?
What the fuck? Look at the fucking physics.
He fucking turned around. What's over here? Kyle, cave!
Already?
I'm already in cave.
How do you open up a craft?
Cave. Cave.
Turn off your goddamn walkie-talkie.
How do I get through? Oh.
Probably cut it.
No, I don't like that sound.
Oh god. Chase, I'm inside. I saw your eyeball.
Look at the blue light.
Whoa. What is this lighter?
It's an electrical lighter. See, oh my god, I'm such a genius.
What?
Air tank. You can turn on and off that. What was that? We'll go there. I'm going into the dark abyss and I don't like it. What the fuck is that? What's thumping? Oh god, what's that sound? What's that sound? What the fuck is that?
What is it? These skulls are so huge.
Nope. Nope.
Chase?
Nope.
Chase?
Get the fuck out of this cave.
Fucking bat.
Nope.
Chase.
Nope.
Chase.
Nope.
What's wrong?
I just want you to keep walking forward.
I'm really. Where are you about to bring me into? Oh.
Man's speeding.
What the fuck is that thing?
Kabuya!
Get his ass!
These aren't what I want you to worry about.
Oh, I'm dead. Did you kill me?
Yeah. Oh my god, I took his head off.
God damn it. Chase! Fuck, god damn it.
You died too?
Yeah.
Bro, that dude one hit me.
No, we lost all our shit.
Bro, that dude jumped at me and one hit me out of nowhere.
Why did you want to go into the cave straight off the goddamn bat?
What the fuck?
Wait.
Kyle!
What the? Where am I?
What am I in?
This is a fucking anus? Ew!
It just hatched like an egg.
I just grabbed my backpack.
Look at that! That's what we came out of!
Ew!
Actually, wait, what's the way out again? I don't know which way's way out. This way?
It's back that way, yeah. Dude, we better start, like, fortifying. What is that? Turn around.
What am I missing? I'm missing something. What is it? Oh my god!
She has a third leg. Fourth
No, come
leg.
back. Come back. I'm sorry. Come back. Ooh. Oh, let me get your fucking ass over here.
Jesus.
Them cheeks! God damn! She double cheeked up.
Dude, she has 4 legs. 3? I can't fucking tell.
I think you gotta like, I don't know how you're supposed to approach her or something.
Chase, it's getting pretty dark. We should return back to camp.
Nah. Kyle, what's up behind you? Kyle, what's behind you? What's behind you? Made you look.
I can't see.
Oh my god! That's black!
That is fucking horrifying.
He's dead. Oh, it's the woman.
Chase, we shouldn't be at night.
Hey, mama. Come back!
Aggressive Riz, dude.
Bro, that sound that rabbit made me feel so bad. What's that?
What the fuck?
What is that? What is that? Kyle, look to your right. No, I'm sick and tired of these goddamn people. Are they in the trees? Like, what are the? I hear them.
Nah, if they can hide up in the trees, that is fucking scary.
Oh no, they're down here. There's a whole. Kyle, do you see that over there? What is that man doing?
Why does it look like he's jacking off?
He's got a chainsaw!
Oh! Jeez! Die, bitch! Ah!
I'm dead.
I'm dead.
Where did this man get that thing?
Where the fuck am I?
That man is already in my face! Oh, what the fuck? Kyle, they have us tied.
Oh no, wait.
Kyle.
Cut yourself out. Cut yourself out.
This dude is definitely a
Hey, wait!
boss.
It's a fucking boat like a boat propeller. Ooh. Ah! Oh, he is.
That thing is OP!
He has 3.
Ma!
No, I thought I like got down.
Oh, yo, he pissed.
Oh, he's trying to kick me. Dude, this guy's so fucking. Oh, I killed him. Yeah.
Kevin's here.
Bitch. Kevin?
There's so many monkey men.
What?
Fuck! And jumped out of the bushes at me. 3 of them! 4 of them! Bro, they literally jumped out of a bush. I was just minding my own business and then they jumped out of a bush. Alright, fuck this. I'm going in the cave. Ooh, Kyle, this cave's spooky.
Yeah,
Kyle, I found a hatch.
a hatch.
Yeah, there's a hatch in here.
Yeah, those bats ain't gonna scare me anymore. After last game. Food and dining.
In the hatch we go. That's probably a terrible idea.
It's probably a terrible idea. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, this is not good. Hey, we got
Oh my God,
food.
there's food. I'm
We got
eating some of that
fucking cereal.
ramen. I'm eating ramen.
Dude, we are scarfing this food down.
Is that really all that's here? We need a key card for this room. Kyle, I'm gonna die!
I'm coming.
Some fucking monkeys. God damn. Ah! I got distracted by pussy and I died! Ah! I need a rest.
Oh, she's here.
Yeah, she was pointing and I was trying to figure out what to do with her. And then I died. I got distracted by pussy and I died! It's because it says a broken bone.
Yeah, I was just throwing it in my fucking face. There's another one!
There we go.
Dude, you fucking get the fuck out of here. God damn. Wait, that actually works. Does that work? I just placed it there.
Yeah, and then we'll just have to cut it out.
Chase!
Nope. You're stuck up there
Chase!
now.
Chase, let me in. Chase, let me in. Really appreciate it. Hey.
What do you want?
I want in.
Now.
There's Ben. Where's Kevin? Oh, got him. Here. Where the fuck did I go? Chase!
What the fuck?
Chase? Where the fuck am I? What the fuck?
Why are you all? How do you go all the way What did you do?
I fucking.
Ew.
Holy shit! I fucking was walking. I was running. I was walking and then I threw the body as I was walking and I just went under the map. Chase, I'm underwater.
So you were running and then threw the body. Did you throw it anywhere specific?
No, I just freaking was just running and then I threw it down. Maybe threw it down to the ground as I was walking. Dude, like
I don't know
I'm
how the fuck you
literally,
did it.
I'm underwater. Like it's just, this is fucking horrifying.
You know there's sharks in this game?
Yep. Then as I'm not trying to figure, I'm trying to drown. I'm not trying to figure that out. Is it fixed now? Am I back? Oh my god.
Oh my god, there's more. You're telling me this entire time. There's way more shelters and stuff we could have built.
I gotta go all the way over there. Can I fast travel? It's gonna take a hot minute to get back over here. Dude, I am so far away.
A few minutes later.
I got a new look.
Dude, Kevin's sunbathing right now.